So, hi Rahul, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Hi, dude. Thank you for having me.
So, I think first of all, congratulations. The song is really getting a good response on YouTube, and people are loving it. If you go to the comments, everyone is praising it. So, congratulations for that.
Thank you so much.
So, tell me how this whole song came out, because you have collaborated with Jatin sir as a lyricist here, and you have composed and sung this song. So, how the song was planned? Tell us something about that.
Um, to be honest, this song wasn't really planned. We were literally in lockdown, like all of us were, and I was very bored, and it was very weird because I wasn't used to staying at home for such a long time. So every day I try to compose something or do something related to music, whether it's just singing or doing music production. So I don't know. I'm not really sure what triggered me, but this phrase यादें आने लगी and this note, ये long note पे जैसे शुरू होता है यादें आने लगी, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. I felt like this has a call, this a sort of pain, a longing to have someone that you miss. So I built a tune around this and I made a scratch. Obviously, mom and dad both were home at this time. So I made my father hear it. I made my mom hear it. They both really, really liked it. And my father is a musician himself. Anytime he likes something that excites him, he'll totally jump onto it. तो he was like, इसको मैं लिखता हूँ, हम इस पे काम करते हैं, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा स्टार्ट है, बहुत अच्छा फील है इसमें. तो उन्होंने गाना लिख दिया and the फिर we made a decent scratch, So when we came to the US in the middle of the lockdown, because my sister studies here, तो वो अकेली हो जाती है यहाँ पे, तो उसके लिए हम लोग सब यहाँ आए. और फिर there is one very sweet gentleman here, my producer, and I made him hear it and he really liked it. He's a Punjabi guy, he's full of life, very मस्ती वाला. He's like, नहीं ये तो शूट करना ही है, कुछ भी हो, कोविड हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, खुला देश है, यहाँ कर ही लेंगे हम लोग. तो we were all, first time we heard this, we were nervous कि COVID चल रहा है, pandemic है, ये वो, पर we got everybody tested, everybody was okay. We were just 4 of us when we shot this. It was me, my co-star, my director, and one assistant. And it was a 1-day ka shoot. And honestly, nothing was planned. We had just planned कि ये location पे है, ये घर में करना है, ये गाड़ी होने वाली है, और उसके अलावा जो होगा देखा जाएगा. एक पियानो था, पियानो पे बैठ के गाना बजाना है, इतना था. तो there was no makeup man, there was no lighting crew, there was no hairstylist, nothing. And honestly, for me, the shoot was the most memorable thing for me, because I have never had such a comfortable and relaxed shoot in my life. I literally did not feel like I was working and we were on a schedule and we had to get this thing done. I was just having fun. My co-star Madison, she was also probably the sweetest person I have met. Honestly, I think she probably is the sweetest girl I've ever met. And I had a lot of fun spending time with her. She doesn't speak any Hindi. She's born and raised in America. And but she was saying, I get the feel. I know what I'm supposed to do. So all in all, it was a very, 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 very fun experience. And the last thing that we did, this song was the first song that usually when you shoot a song, you have you have the final song done. The only thing you may leave behind is the mixing and mastering. So with this song, I had only produced it so far. I had sung it. Everything was done by me. So we said we should give it to some other music producer too, who is a full-time music producer. So we said, Aditya Dev, he's very famous in Mumbai. He does most of the work. We sent it to him, and he obviously did a wonderful job. So this is the story.
So of course, you have this is the second single, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, my second solo single.
Right. So, but whenever you compose a song, do you have a kind of a pressure in your mind that there is Jatin sir's name attached with you, because he has been composing from so many years. He's a legend. So, do you have that pressure in your mind when you compose a song or you sing a song?
I really don't, and it's not because I'm very confident about myself or something like that. I just think you should do your best and if you and not think about other things too much. As long as you know you can't really, you could be the best guy in there out there, and you may not end up being in. This is a very luck sort of uh, business, and I think you should ultimately, there are so many factors beyond your control that decide whether or not you would be successful or a song would be successful. So it's best just not to worry about anything. I would just say do your best, and as long as you're doing that, you are good. So I personally don't, not even my dad, I don't worry, at least so far I don't worry about anything. I just sort of do my best, and so far it's been going good for me that way. So touch wood.
So, of course, now we have heard, listen to your music, listen to you, your song, your voice in your singles. Or what are your plans for Bollywood? When are you planning to make your Bollywood debut as a composer?
I would love to sing in a Bollywood movie. As of now, I don't have any plans to do so. Uh, what I do have planned is I do plan to release another single very soon. There is a song in my mind that I really like, but uh, personally, if someone gives me a chance, I would be very happy, more than happy to do it. So I'm just waiting to get my chance. But right now, there is nothing like 100% planned.
So, of course, you are such a good-looking young man, and you have been.
Oh, thank you.
I read. I have read somewhere that you are a dancer as well, and of course now you are featuring in your music videos. So, any plans, somewhere behind the back that you should also try your hands on acting?
Um, I'll be honest with you. I worked on a set, and if someone gives me a chance, I totally would. But I enjoy doing music more, to be honest. But who wouldn't want to be an actor? It's like the coolest job. Action कर रहे हैं, jump मार रहे हैं. अच्छा है. But I like doing music more. I think it suits me more, and I get to act in my own music videos anyway. So that thing is also is cool for me. So हाँ.
So, of course, as you said that soon you're going to come up with a single. So that collaboration will also be with Jatin sir, or what are your plans for that?
That song will be more sort of like a dancing number. My dad, he has made some upbeat. He's more known for his romantic tracks, but this one really, I don't think it will really, like Aankhon Ke Ishare doesn't sound anything like a Jatin Lalit song. This one has that vibe. The next one, which I have in mind, really doesn't. It's more on the fun, upbeat, Aankhon Ke Ishare type song.
Right. It was really nice chatting with you, Rahul. All the best for all your future projects, and thank you for being with us.
Thank you, dude. Thank you for having me.